Hi, I'm Rochelle Romans, and today I want to bring to you a hairstyle called the infinity bun. It's a really simple, everyday style. You can make it very classic and sleek. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's a great all-around hairstyle. So I'm going to be securing this particular hairstyle with a acrylic upin, sometimes also known as a hair fork or a hair prong. Now here I have my Emmy pack. You'll find these on my website. This is the white marble, the abalone, and the green. I'm actually going to use 2 greens today to secure this infinity bun. So first of all, I'm just going to gather my hair back into a low pony. You can position this high, low, wherever you would like on your head. Just make sure you start off to the center. Don't put it in the center, just like start slightly off to the center. We're simply going to take our hair and start twisting it clockwise. Once we get 2 or 3 twists in there, we're going to begin to coil the bun. Now, important note here, we'll just go ahead and twist our bun and coil it, making sure that each donut coil is the exact same as the size as the last one, and putting it straight under. So we're going to have a protruding bun like this, but it's not going to stay that way. We're going to take that top donut there and we're going to lay it to the side, creating a figure 8, and that's why we started off to one side. Now I'm going to use my U-pins. See how they're slightly curved? That's because they fit awesome on your scalp. Now, we'll start with the curve going away from our head. We're just going to grab a little bit of that bun right there. You don't need a whole lot. Making sure that the ends of the U-pins go away from our bun towards our ears. We're going to touch the tip of the U-pin to our scalp, making sure we're engaged with our scalp as we turn the U-pin. Once it's turned, slide it and gently wiggle it back into the fat part of the bun. Now, my hair will hold securely with just one. That will give me all day hold, but hey, we got 2, and I have personally put this bun up in ladies that have ankle length hair several times, and it holds all day for them. So in that indication, you may want to add a second one. So same way, curve going away from our scalp, grab a little hair, make sure that the prongs or at the tips points are engaged with our scalp as we turn, and then we will wiggle this back into the fat part of the bun, just like that. You may like the look of 2. You may need to. If you have floor length or ankle length hair, this will work in slick hair, curly hair, any kind of hair. You just need to apply that little technique of the weave. All right, tell me below, what type of hair do you have? Do you have slick hair, curly hair? And then tell me your length. What length of hair do you have? All right, I'm Rochelle Romans. I will put the link in the description below of where you can get these amazing, wonderful, lightweight, really lightweight acrylic U-pins. Very sturdy. All right, have a blessed day.